Alright guys, welcome back again. This is another exciting one. So today we want to create a page. So what we're going to do is that to create our page is pretty easy. Don't forget, what by the time you're working on your website, always ensure that you leave the view, like the user front end view, you just leave it open so that when you're working on your website, you can easily save and reload or refresh your page to know whether you're really making a whole lot of sense. So all right, let's navigate to the other side, and which is the back end. Try to create a page. So I would like to look at all pages first, because that will make me to see what are the pages that we have in our pages. So we have two pages. We have sample pages and we have privacy and policy. Now I would like to delete move sample pages to trash, and click on apply. So what I mean by moving to trash is that I just want to delete it. Alright, so this privacy and policy, sometimes when you're building a website, it's good for you to have privacy policy, yeah, so that your website is going to, when it comes to ranking and some other things like that, legal reasons, it's going to be highly protected. Alright, now that I've deleted sample pages, you can see from this top there is no sample pages like an header any longer. So we want to create our own home page. So what we're going to do is that let's log in back to the home page, the page section, and want to click on add new. So from this top you're going to see add new page. So I'm going to click it. So when I click it, it's going to take me to an environment where I can create a new page. This is pretty easy. So what we're going to do is that we're just going to create a page, which is the home page. So when we create our home page, we're going to save it. So you're going to see this pop up anyway. Just close this and come to this add title. Yeah, just type home. So by the time you type home, you can see publish. So, all right, so if you want to save what you're about to create, you publish it in WordPress. So you click on publish and you click on publish. So this is going to load for some few seconds, and you can now return back to the dashboard. So returning back to the dashboard is something easy. You can easily click on this W icon, which is the WordPress icon. It's going to take you to the dashboard where you can see home. So let's go back to the front view and let's reload our website. So when we reload our website, you can see home has been placed here automatically at the header. This is awesome. So right now, but the thing is that the home page is not showing, nothing is showing. We only have the blog section. So when you click on this, you can see we only have the blog section. So it's not making any sense. This is just the blog section. We need to have our own home page as the first page that is going to appear on our website. All right, so this is not the home page. So this is the blog page. So you need to convert, you need to make sure that the page that you create, which is the home page, is the one showing anytime you load your website. That's exactly what we want to achieve. Let's go back to pages again. We're going to see appear under appearance. We're going to see let's see, I think it's under settings. Let's go to settings and let's go to reading. So when you click on reading, let's see what exactly it's going to look like. So when you navigate through settings to reading, it is a must for you to change your home page display to static, which means you want to select a page that is going to appear at the moment someone loads your website. Okay, so we're going to click on this home page, and the page that we have created is home page. So if you have created like 10 pages, you're going to see that drop down in there, but we just created the first page, which is the home page. That is why we only see one home page here. So this home page is the page that we first of all created in the first place anyways. So this post page, we don't want to do anything with it right now until we want to start creating blog, and you will just navigate to save changes. All right, so by the time you navigate to save changes, to be honest, anytime you come straight down to your page and load it, that home page is going to be displayed instead of this blog or post page. Okay, so let's reload it and let's see what exactly is going to happen. Voila, you can see that we now have the home page, which is empty. Nothing is in there. It's pretty light, and this is exactly how to create a page and customize your page to appear as the first page the moment you load your website. All right, so I think it's that time you start designing the pages, and you can only build these pages if you've creating pages in WordPress using Elementor Page Builder. So right now what we're going to do is that we're going to navigate to let's navigate back to dashboard, and let's click on pages, and let's see all the pages. So let's go back and see all the pages. You can see this home page. Let's click on home page. So by the time you click on home page, you can now see it's going to ask you that, did you want to edit this page with Elementor? You can see from this top, you can see edit with Elementor. So in the next tutorial, we're going to have a basic understanding about how to make use of Elementor, just like on Elementor fundamentals, like understanding how Elementor really works before you start using it to build pages. Because if you don't understand how the software really works, it might be very difficult to start creating or crafting a mind-blowing design in WordPress. Alright, hope you're finding this very much interesting, and I'm excited that we're moving forward. Alright, like I said, your comment is highly important and we really appreciate it. We want to know how your experience about this particular course, so it gives us an idea of what we should come up with some other time. This is what we normally gather to know how to release a course that is going to be probably much better than this. And I'm glad that we're moving forward. All right, thank you guys for watching. Happy designing.